First nodal analysis. For nodal analysis, so I'll take the cell of, don't take 1000 volt, 100 volt, greater values. So if you take the larger values, no, lot of calculations will be known. No, choose some 2 volt, even 2 volt. If you choose, don't choose 2 volt also, because again fractions will come 2.3, 2.8 exam. That's why choose some 10 volt. There is a nominal, I feel 10 or 6 like that. Don't choose 50, 80. Calculations will be heavy. Okay, this should be 100 volt. This is 0 volt. That's what I defined it. Then I don't know, because there no cell is there, no. So what is the only alternative? This should be V2. This should be V3, V5. So how many unknowns are there? V2, V3, V5, V6. So getting that, we'll get it. So now I'll begin like this. So this should be the, so let's write it at node 2. At yellow color node. V2 minus, so everything capacitance. So V2 minus 100 plus V2 minus C into V2 minus V3 equal to 0. So this should be equal to 3V2 plus 100 plus V3 plus V6. Similarly, at blue color node 6, so this should be V6, C into V6 minus 100, C into V6 minus V2, C into 4V6 equal to 100 plus V2 plus V3 plus V5. I think by this time, everyone getting, there's no concept, no, just by, it's a skill. At gray color node 3. V3 minus V2, V3 minus V6, C into V3 minus V5 plus C into all set equals 0. So this will become 4V3 plus V2 at node 5. Oh, 10 volt. Huh? Okay, it should be 10, huh? I think. I'll change it. Yeah, thank you, thank you. It should be 10, 10 everywhere, 10. Yeah. Okay, now red color node. I'll minimize it. Let's write equation. Red color node where it is. V5, V6 plus C into How many unknowns are there? 2, 3, 5, 6. 4 equations, 4 unknowns. Solving this will get the required answer. Then after getting this, then what is the needed? So you can directly jump into the only these two capacitors. So don't bother anything like, once you know V2, V6, calculate the charge in these two. Then that much of charge should be pushed by this. I'll finish off the question. This 10 volt cell here. So here QA charge, QB charge. Only don't go for again distribution. Okay, we got it, no? So then what is the capacitance? So this will be C14 should be equal to QA plus QB by 10. QA, QB, once you know potential V2 and V6, you can calculate QA. So what is QA? 10 minus I'll write it here. No, first QA should be 10 minus V2 into C. What is QB? 10 minus V6 into C. Even for equivalent capacitance also you can use nodal analysis. That is what my main purpose of what I'm discussing here. Even for equivalent capacitance also you can bring nodal analysis, not only finding out charge. Now what is the other alternative? Charge distribution. Let me do that also. It'll give overall picture for you. It's left to you. Which one you feel very convenient you can pick up. Where we are here.
Sir, answer is 7C by 12, sir.
7C by 12.
Getting 11, sir.
11 it is coming.
11C by 15 I'm getting.
11C by 15. Same problem, I'll divide the charge. You can see this. We will try charge distribution, how it is possible. So again, I'm going to connect a, if you want, you write 10 volt or say you can write only V. Let me choose 10 volt. So I'm going to divide the charge. So let this be Q1. So here Q3 has come here, no? So Q2 minus Q3 should be here. I'll show only on one plate. It will take more time. Then finally, what charge should leave? In between, how the charge distribution? Here Q3 charge has come, Q1 plus Q3. So here Q2 minus Q3, I'll bring it here. How much charge here should be? Q1 minus Q2 plus 2Q3. Q1 minus Q2 plus 2Q3. Look at this charge. What should be the charge here? Should be Q3. So I'll justify my answer. Q1 minus Q2 plus 2Q. That much of charge will come here. Okay, fine. Here from how much will plus Q2 minus Q2. This will cancel. Minus Q3 plus Q3. What will be left over here? Q1 plus Q3. So that Q1 will go here, Q3 will come here. So from here, Q3 will come. Here, Q2 minus Q3. Q3 get cancelled, so only Q2. How many unknowns are there? Q1, Q2, Q3. So write 3 loop equations, solve, you'll get the required answer. So you write 1 loop equation. 3 equations we needed. 3 unknowns are there, no? 3 loop equations are needed. So first 1 loop equation plus 10 plus 10 minus Q2 by C Q1 by C equal to 0. What is the loop? There's a loop. There's a one thing. Then again, we'll take next loop, this one. Minus Q2 by C minus Q3 by C plus Q1 by C. The loop is this one. Huh? There's a one loop we have to. Next, one more you can write it here, or already this we have taken care, no? So you write one loop here, or else one path here. No, see, solve this. We'll get equivalent capacitance 11C by 15. C value of C how much given? 15 farad. 11 farad will come. So I think definitely charge distribution, you should be very alert. That's all. You should be correct. If charge distribution is correct, you'll get answer correct. But node analysis, there's no thing. Somehow you define potential. Only thing is what is the take care, what you should take care here? The potential difference across cell. As there is only one cell, so definitely randomly put potentials here because this is 0, this 0. So define these potentials, right? Charge of a cell should be conserved.